Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how to lock screen while watching YouTube on the iPhone. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to the YouTube app on your iPhone and tap to open it. Select any video to watch. Now if you want to lock your iPhone screen while you are watching YouTube video, simply go to the top right corner and tap on this gear icon. A new menu pop up from the bottom of the screen. In this menu, you can see the lock screen option. Tap on this option and your screen will be locked. To unlock the screen, simply tap anywhere on the screen and you will see a button Tap Unlock. Once you tap on that, your screen lock will be open. So this is how you can lock screen while watching YouTube videos. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.